Whoa, that was so cool.
Yeah, it was. Didn't we have to call a fire department?
Jeez.
Too late. Everyone's burned. All the chlorine gas was amazing.
My lungs hurt.
You don't have lungs.
Please subscribe.
Yes, down here, and order our merch.
If you like the video, share it with your friends. Leave a comment down below. We want all of your ideas so we can steal them without having to be creative.
That's just not right, man.
For press reasons, you can contact us at sockpuppetparody@gmail.com. Stay tuned for next week. It's gonna be awesome. Awesome.